So, dito kami sa Svetty Stefan. So, dito raw kami kakain sa Jadran. Bumalik kami dito sa yung barbecue house sa Kotor. Grabe, sobrang clear ng water. O, dito daw ang daan. Papunta kay Jesus. Per bed, 25 euros. 2 sunbeds and 1 umbrella. So we got 4 sunbeds and 2 umbrellas. You got me stuck, I'm waiting for you. I spent my whole life here trying to get through you. So walk lang kami towards the other side. Naghanap kami ng cafe or restaurant. Kasi may nakita kami ng restaurant doon. So, medyo mahal. So, nice. Nice Svetty Stefan behind you. Oh, you got me stuck. I'm waiting for you. I'll spend my whole life here trying to get through. So, yun yata yung Olive Cafe.
Enjoy your meal. Now I...
Ika preciosa. Pasta. Seafood pasta. Habang nagpipiga ng buhok mo. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Hindi mo nagka? Talaga mo. Cementerio nila. Creepy. So, dito raw kami kakain sa Jadran. Jadran Seaside Restaurant. Ayan, seaside nga siya.
Careful, there's a fire.
There's fire, fire.
Thank you. Mussels here. Squid stuffed with shrimps.
Thank you. Wow. Are you guys enjoying yourselves? Yes. Ang dami naman yan. Ay, bakit maitim na kanin? Lakas maka-engkanto nung itim. Oo nga eh. Tanggalin na lang natin. Ayun yung hotel namin sa taas. Doon. It's already 11 o'clock. 11:11 actually. Bumalik kami dito sa yung barbecue house sa Kotor. Kasi meron sila, di ba, ng Filipino food or Filipino meal. Sobrang nagustuhan namin yun. So, binalikan namin siya today. Ayan yung steak and barbecue house, Tanshka. Yun. Perfect. Hindi ako na. Iniwan ko ang camera ko para lang mabitbit yan.
Back to Mingo.
Gutom yung pusa. Sir food. Happy eating. Nandito na kami sa Old Town, Budva Old Town. Ay, souvenirs so. Ayun, meron sila eco bag. Ay, cute! Pusa. No? Inaantay pa namin yung other group. Dumaan pa silang gasoline station. So, lakad muna kami. Hanap kami ng coffee. O dito daw ang daan. Papunta kay Jesus. Lakad-lakad lang. Hanap kami coffee shop. Let go, let go. Seen as more than friends. And I'ma just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend. But I'll take you by your word. And I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go.
Hi, Benjo. Benjo, pagbilan. Pagbilan po.
Thank you. Yay. Ito yung super sarap na gelato na kinain namin kagabi. Meron din silang branch dito sa Budva Old Town. Ganda, ganda dito. Grabe. Parang Italia din. Let's go to Mogran Beach. Grabe, sobrang clear ng water. Pinakita ka? Ba't nakuha na parang nakikinig ka na? Meron pa siyang light blue na nakuha. Wow, ganda. Parang nag-shape. Pag gano'n ni Kim, ay nakakuha na ako pag ngipin. Ito ng tao. Ngipin wala. Wala. Wala ako nakukuhang green. Aray ko. Meron ako ibang nakuha o ibang color. Ano color? Pink? Yellow. Diyan sige, besh. Dito ka. Competitive talaga ito. Bait naman. Kailangan maayos na maayos. So that's Budva Skyline. Sinigang! Thank you, Besh.
No problem. Uy, hindi ko sarap.
Game na!
Okay. Category European country.
Sige, European country.
Start
now.
Country. Croatia.
Spain. France.
Montenegro. Albania.
Uy, non-EU. Non-EU.
Ay, non-EU.
Montenegro.
Europe na continent. Umuulan pa rin, no?
Ano, wala na? Dapat hilapin mo.
Good morning, Budva. Good morning, Montenegro. And last morning, we're now heading to the airport to catch our 11 a.m. flight. Coffee muna kami dito. Iced coffee for me.